Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang with Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending 2/24 of 2019, and this particular play was on a stock called TAL, T-A-L. The date was on Thursday, the 21st of February, and the strategy was based on a DTS buy setup on the daily chart and a DTS buy setup on the hourly chart coming together. The entry and management was advanced and the reward to risk about 1.9 to 1, all done that morning. We'll take a look at that play, but first I want to remind you, as always, of the free stuff coming up this week at DTS. First is going to be on Monday, the Introduction to Mastering Technical Analysis, and second is going to be Wednesday, the 3 best trading concepts. Wednesday, February 27th, is going to be a special event that I do about every month or so, and this is going to be a discussion about the 3 best trading concepts. Doing the reverse of these is common and stops most people from making money. These are not really highlights. I may have touched on these before, but these are 3 key things, I think, in general about conceptually understanding trading and investing, how to make money. And on Monday, I want to talk about that for just a minute. That's going to be Monday the 25th. The Introduction to Mastering Technical Analysis class. That class is the class that always precedes the DTS seminar program. It's usually on a Friday because the DTS seminar program runs for 3 consecutive Saturdays. This particular seminar cycle, I'm doing the seminars on Fridays for those who have a hard time attending on the weekend or on a Saturday. So the half class is going to be on the Monday. So this class is the beginning of the seminar program, but it is also something I invite everyone to attend for free, because although the information is very important and a lot of things that people don't know or are never taught, it is what I consider to be the basic material that I don't want to spend the critical time on Saturday discussing. So if you are a member, you will get an invite to that Monday morning the 25th. If you are receiving this as part of the weekly market summary, you are a member, but if you are picking this up on YouTube or somewhere else, you need to make sure to get to the DTS website and on the home page either register for the upcoming event or just click on whatever there is there to become a member. So for those of you who are interested in the seminar program, some of you have been looking for the time. It will be on a non-weekend time, and it's going to be this time on 3 consecutive Fridays, starting on the Friday next week. That's going to be Friday, March 1st. Naturally, once you're in the seminar program, you retake the seminars all that you want as part of the program. It's not only something that's a benefit, it's something I consider to be absolutely necessary and mandatory to fully understand everything there is in the seminar program. Here is the daily chart of TAL. This is the daily chart, and right there was the day, how it looked before I did the trade. This is how it looked the next 2 days, because this daily chart was set up in such a way the stock actually ran for the next 2 days. The trade I was taking was just a day trade, although it could have been held, and this is off the 60-minute chart showing a complementary setup. Again, this is how it looked before I took the trade with that wide range bar and a little pullback. I was looking for that pullback to follow through to the upside, and that's how it looked after the day. You can see it consolidated and actually moved up nicer the next day, but this day turned out just great because of the entry. Let's look at the 5-minute chart so you can kind of a nice view of the whole day and how it played out. That pullback is what I specifically was looking for. I always look for that first thing in the morning. This was a 10 o'clock reversal time pullback into that area. If you look on the hourly chart, some people may say that broke support, but that shows a lack of understanding of technical analysis. This fell into a key support area. This is one of my favorite type of plays and entries, and the stock ran. You can see that wide bar that it ran up here with. I'm going to look at the 1-minute chart to show you the specifics, but this is not news, not an event. It just all of a sudden took off and flew higher, although I planned on holding it for the day because of that wide bar. It's what I call taking the free money. You can't let that go, and it turned out to be a good thing that I did because I actually exited at the best prices of the day, unless it was going to be held. But if you were going to hold it, you also could have played it the next day over this consolidation. Here's the 1-minute chart showing you a little more specifics. This is just simply a great entry. The entry was, that's that pullback I was looking for right in there, and the entry was taken at 32.31, and it was not over on this side after this consolidation. It was actually just as it started to come off of the low right in there on the way down. The stop was at 31.89, and then it blasted off, so I took a target as that wide range bar was closing out, because you always do that on a wide range bar. And because of that big move it had, I was looking to get the trail stop tight on the second half, and I did that, trailing it inside that red bar, a little hitch form that I use as a trail stop, and came out at 33.18 on the back half. So overall, though I intended to hold this for the whole day, this ended up being a 30-minute trade. It's not that that was the intent, but it turned out to be the best exit, and you always take the free money, as I like to say. For those of you who are looking on, I invite you to take a trial to the DTS Trading Room. That is where these plays happen. They are given to you in watch lists ahead of time, and we focus on a handful of things throughout the day. And they are things that you can generally almost always play along with if you're looking, or use the advice of the room combined with your own knowledge to trade as you like to trade. Visit the DTS website on the services page, and you will find where you can sign up for a trial or just sign up for the DTS Trading Room for a month. This is Paul from DTS. Good trading, everybody.